Welcome to number 10 Truro Court. This flawless home is an expression of modern design and sophisticated elegance. Over 30 squares, you have 4 double-sized bedrooms. The master is a king size with its own ensuite. It's simply a showpiece.
Where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day.
Queensland living is all about the outdoors. Set on 790 square metre block in a private cul-de-sac. You have the added advantage of this extra large boatport on the side. 2-minute walk to the water. But this magnificent room, with the tropical outlook, is where I'll spend most of my time. All I need now is just a beer.
Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sand.